What is English? Of course, is a language, but for us, it's not just a language. It's also a very important tool and powerful weapon. It's very necessary for our life and our success in the 21st century. Why should we master this language, tool, or weapon? Why should we spend a lot of time and energy on English? The answer is obvious: to improve ourselves, to serve our country and Vietnamese people, and to communicate freely with the world. This is our ultimate goal. This is our number one mission. Let's master English to promote an international communication. Let's master English to spread Vietnamese language and culture. Let's master English to make Vietnam stronger and more prosperous. Let's master English to make our future brighter. Let's master English to make our world a better place. My mother is a wonderful teacher. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. American and Vietnam should always work together. Thank you for listening.